Hello guys, I hope you are fine. This is Shazim. Today I'm going to show you a simple app which you can download from the Play Store. Its name is Flow Calculator, and in this application you can quickly estimate the velocities, flows, and at a specified diameter. So for example, if you want to change the units into any desirable units, like I'm selecting here as inch. Okay, now I'm going to see that if we have 4-inch line and our flow is 16.21, the value which is calculated on this velocity. So if I am setting it as the recommended standard velocity of 3 meter per second, then we can see that the flow rate we get here is 24.32 liter per second. We can also change the units as we desire, like meter cube per hour. So with a velocity of 3 meter per second in the line of 4-inch, we can have a flow of 87.56 meter cube per hour. So we can also drag the velocities from here, like if I click on the screen and push towards right, then we can see that I'm increasing the velocity and the flow is also increasing. Like if I want to increase the size, then I will put this value and start increasing, and see that the velocity and the flow, velocity is constant and flow is increasing by increasing the dia of the pipe. So this is a good application and I recommend you all to use it for the quick estimates. In this option you can see that operational limit under standard conditions for gate by butterfly, maximum flow velocity at full operating conditions 3 meter per second at 10 bar, and we can also see the scales. And if you want to see the conversions from in different units, so we can check it here. And there is also a help which shows that how one can quickly estimate the flow with this application. I hope that all of you will start using it and like this video. Thank you very much, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you for giving me a good feedback.